These Sundown X8 V3s, I'm excited to see them being put to work. Again, I'm gonna put 2 of these in my work truck just on free air and beat on them with the SCV 4000. See what kind of power they'll take, see what kind of flex we can get out on them. Lord of mercy. That is crazy. Them X8 V3s are getting down. Yo, what's up guys, here at downforsoundshop.com. Today we just got in the just released Sundown Audio X8 V3 subs. These have been a long awaited item. People have been holding off on getting the X8 V2 so they could get the V3s, and they've been in the works for probably a year now. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the box and show you what the X8 V3s look like and tell you the differences between the X8 V2s and V3s. Obviously, right on the outside of the box, you can see that they're now rated at 800 watts RMS. So they bumped up the RMS rating a little bit on the subs because of some reasons I'm going to tell you in just a second on the performance upgrades that they went to from the V2s to the V3s. First off, I want to show you guys the packaging that Sundown Audio does. You can come over here real quick. So right here, you can see it's double boxed. This has an outside box, then an inner box, and then it also has all the styrofoam that keeps it packaged very nice, ensuring that the product is going to make it to you safe. But anyway, so it's going to come with a silica pack in the bottom. I hate the sound that it makes when it rolls over the magnet. It sounds all crunchy. Anyway, it's going to come with your Sundown Audio sticker and your standard freebies that come with some of the stuff that you get, especially the Sundown X series. So you're going to get a free t-shirt, sticker, lanyard, and voltmeter that's going to come with this subwoofer. The difference on the price between the V2 to the V3 is $20 different. So the V2, it was $259 and the V3s are $279. So that's the difference on the price. You're gonna be looking at a $20 price difference. So go ahead and roll this out, and you can come over here, Barbara, and I'll show you guys a closer look on and the differences as well. So starting out at the top, on the surround right here, it's a more efficient surround. It's not quite as tall as the V2, but it is more efficient, so it's going to work better. The mounting gasket is slightly different. It has like a little indentation right here. I'm going to show you the difference when I bring the V2 over here to show you the difference between the two. It also has a quieter cooling, more linear and rugged spider. So if you can see in here, it has the red spider, whereas the other sub has the yellow spider, the V2 model. It also has a stronger cone to deal with the more power handling. But the biggest thing is the bigger motor structure right here. So now I'm going to bring over the V2 and let you see the difference between the two sitting beside each other. So here's the V2 and the V3. So you can see that there's a little bit of a height difference here. This is because of the motor size, considerably larger than the V2 model. And again, if you come up here, you can see the difference on the surround up here. This one's a little bit longer and taller, whereas this one's more efficient. Flip these over and pick me up a razor blade. I'll grab that real quick. So you can see here we have the red spider, here we have the yellow spider. This feels all backwards. trying to suck together. Anyway, there's a difference in the height. Here's a motor stack on the V3, motor stack on the V2. Again, the V2 was no slouch whatsoever, but if you know about Sundown, you know they're always trying to improve and come up with something bigger and better. So that's going to be the video for the difference, or the unboxing of the V3, and then showing you the difference between the V3 and the V2, so you can see the upgrades that you're getting with those, or with going with the V3s. I have these in stock and shipping at downforsoundshop.com. They come in a dual 2 or a dual 4 version. So if you'd like to get yours, go to downforsoundshop.com, select the subwoofer tab, and then go down to Sundown and then the X series, and you'll see them there. I will be doing a torture test on a couple of these so you can see what kind of abuse they'll take. Let me pull this. I got an SA series over here so I can show you the difference. So on the left is a SA series, which is 500 watts RMS, which is no slouch either, but you can tell the motor size is considerably smaller. Got a black spider. So SA8, X8, V3. We'll actually do this real quick so it makes more sense. All right, so there's the three right there. SA8, X8 V2, X8 V3. Beastin'. What do you guys think about these subs? Who's gonna be the first person to get a pair of these Sundown X8 V3s? I'm excited to see them being put to work. Again, I'm gonna put 2 of these in my work truck just on free air and beat on them with the SCV 4000. See what kind of power they'll take, see what kind of flex we can get out of them. But we'll see you in the next video. All right, got these subs all hooked up. Sundown Audio X8 V3s. Let's see what they'll do. I had them overnighted so I could do these flex tests and box openings for you guys. Let's see how they move. Again, they're being powered by Sundown Audio SCV 4000 at 1 ohm free air. I don't know why I have them set up one forward and one backward. Feel a lot of air being pushed out the back right here, so definitely some good cooling going on. A lot of air coming out the side vents as well. Very nicely. Let's bump it up a notch. Bump it up one more notch. Hopefully I don't bottom them out. A lot of power for some 8s, especially free air. Okay. Oh yeah, Left City. Bump it up one more notch. I'm trying to get them max excursion without bottoming them out, but we'll see. Ooh, they're moving now.
should go one more click. Give me a thumbs up if I should go one more click. Give me a thumbs up. Alright, I'm gonna go one more click, guys. I know y'all gave me a thumbs up. Here we go. There it is. Woo-hoo-hoo. Lord have mercy. Alright, let's see what it does. I might bump it up another click. Might cause some bad stuff to happen. But we're gonna put them through their paces. Oh, they're stroking now. Lordy. Man. Them bad boys are stroking. A little heat on the tinsel leaf, but very nice. I'm scared to go one more notch, so I'll probably bottom out. Screw it, I'm fixing to do it, guys. I'm finna do it. There's that other notch. It's probably gonna bottom them out. Woo, there it was. Scared me. Man, it's right on the threshold. Golly, look at that excursion. Starting to bottom out just a tad. Alright, let me back it down one notch. Lord have mercy. That is crazy. Them X8 V3s are getting down. Did you see how far it was moving? That's absolutely insane. If y'all like to grab some of these, downforsoundshop.com. Go to the subwoofer tab, then Sundown Audio, then X Series. You'll see these there for $279 a piece. They come in dual 2s or dual 4s. Man, getting down nice. All right, guys. I figured I'd get a little flex test of them together, facing the same way. See what they'll do. See the cooling blowing out back there. Look at all that. Check it out. Watch it. Tons of cooling headed out the back. Awesome. Bump it up another couple notches. There they go. Start smelling them now. That cooling working good. Look at how it's blowing around right there. Man, some gut sounding woofers for free air. All right, we got them tested, man. They were flexing nice, you'd have to say. Flexing like a boss.
All right, let's try this again. Playing some big crit. 26 hertz. Again, an SCV 4000 wired to 1 ohm, free air. Let's get them stretching out. Things are moving. See how much air is flowing out on the back on the. Plays the lows, plays the highs. What more could you want? And some 8s. Appreciate you guys checking it out. We'll see you in the next video. If y'all have any questions about these, just drop them in the comments below and I'll get them answered up for you. Thank you for your support. We'll see you in the next video.